It's my 25th season, and this is Behind the Scenes. All right, fam, it is 6 a.m. I am back in the gym. If I'm in the gym this early, you know I am back in the Coachella Valley. Busy day, let's get to it. Okay, friends, every early morning I am stretching, and every morning I am going through my movements, my mobility moves, just to help loosen up my shoulders, my back, my knees. All of this is ultra important to myself. All right, it is Sunday now. Let's get to work. All right, I am back at work. A little bit of training. A lot of fun today. You know what's crazy? Man, it's like late October and it's still 95 degrees every day. That's crazy. All right, my room is still not ready for me to be in, so I'll be having to use my co-worker's room for today's training. As you can see, our rooms are pretty cool, very similar to my rooms in Idaho. So this is our first day back where the whole spa is here, and we'll see how this is going to go today. Training, eating, all that type of stuff. Are we ready? It may seem like what we're doing is basic, and yes, it pretty much is, but every day is a learning experience. You never know who may see something and say, I want to take that technique. Just practice. So our first day was mostly just going over protocol changes, saying hi to everyone, eating, and then just cleaning up. All right, fam, this is day 2 of my early morning training. Man, getting here at 6 a.m. It's no joke, but got to do it. Got to stay ready so we don't have to get ready, man. Let's go. And it is early, but we're getting it done. So once again, my routine is pretty simple. Stretching, movements. Doesn't matter if I'm doing this at the gym or at home. Sometimes I don't go to the gym. I just do these same things at home. The exercises may change, but this helps get me ready for a busy day. Well, another day down. It's morning time. Let's go to work. All right, fam, here we go. Day 2 of training, getting ready for the season. It's pretty exciting stuff. My team is ready. And to all my young MTs out there, man, if you want success, just make sure your heart and your brain are lined up. It makes success a whole lot easier. Here we have Super Jen showing us how she does the oil treatment for the hair while her client, our coworker and friend, is wrapped. And I have to say, her techniques, her flow, her steadiness, a whole lot better than I would do. Love it. All right, fam, it is day 3 and your boy is ready. It's 6 a.m., a little bit past 6, but we got to get it. Am I getting used to going to the gym this early? It's taking a couple of days, but I do like it. All right, we are here. What's kind of crazy is that you see the same cars in the same position every day. This move, this squat right here, is something I do every single day, sometimes multiple times a day. It has definitely helped alleviate my knee pain. Also, if you lean forward just a little bit and shift your weight, you'll also get a nice little tension for your pecs. All right, I worked out hard. Now it is time for the massage waterbed. Try to do about 10 or 15 minutes on this thing. See if I can get you guys a better view. Bam. Let's do it. And now let's go to work. All right, fam, we're going into day 3 of training. And to take a saying from sports, you know, it's kind of a must win every day with training, because you know, we want to be the best staff in the valley. So when we have training days, you know, we have to make sure we're all on the same page. We all do our best, and you know, we just eliminate mistakes. So kind of like a sports team, you know, like when you do your best and clients see it, they feel it, they come back, and that's more money, yo. All right, we made it in. About 5 minutes late, but still early. That's the way you do it. You ready, Young Jay? All right, let's do it. It's lunchtime, and the team wants to see the new lunch facility. Did they lock you guys out? There's too many of you. Hey fam, I was told that if you get up early, 6 a.m., you can do anything. So I'm at the gym at 6 a.m. seeing what I can do. This is day 4. I'm gonna test that theory out. Let's go. If you're wondering how long do I do this for, on the short end, it's about 5 minutes. And on the long end, sometimes I'll go as long as 30 minutes. All right, fam, day 4 of the training and getting on the same page for my team. In future videos, I will show you a little bit more of what our spa looks like, the working areas, the esthetician rooms, and places like that. But here are a couple of views right now. Day 4 is all about the massage and CBD scrub. And this is going to conclude our training sessions for the week. If you could do us a favor here at Bodyworkers Culture, just share this video with others. Practice often.